Hey guys, this is Howard from Aorus, and today we're back with another unboxing video on the Z690I AORUS Ultra Plus. This is the latest mini ITX Z690 motherboard that we have, and this is a new and improved version of the original Z690I AORUS Ultra with improved Wi-Fi, and we'll tell you all the specs in just a second. This motherboard comes with both DDR4 and DDR5 options, and does support PCIe 5.0 as well. So let's see what's inside the box. So first, of course, you're gonna get the motherboard here. And let's just put this aside for now, and let's look at all the goodies that come with the motherboard. So we have a variety of different cables, as you guys can see. First, we have our Wi-Fi antenna. Next up, we have these 3 fan power extension cables. Over here, we have our SATA cable. Pretty standard. Over here is actually our front USB extension. You get a RGB cable as well. And then you get a Molex to round it out. That's all the cables, I think. Next up, we have some additional screws for you guys. That's always nice to have. We have an Aorus case badge sticker. It's quite reflective, quite nice. And then of course we have the instruction manual. This is the last piece that's inside the box. As I mentioned earlier, this is an ITX motherboard which utilizes an LGA 1700 socket, which means this is compatible with an Intel 12th gen processor. This motherboard, like all of our Z690 motherboards, has our advanced thermal design, which helps to provide the most heat dissipation. We utilize the Fins Array 2 design, which features a heat pipe, multi-layer PCH, an extra thick M.2 heatsink, which we call the Thermal Guard 3. It also has thermal base plate, 2x copper PCB, and a 9WMK thermal connectivity pad. This motherboard can support dual-channel DDR4 or DDR5 memory with 2 DIMMs. Make sure you have the right model. The big upgrade with our Z690 motherboards is that they also utilize the new PCIe 5.0 expansion slots, which this motherboard has. Both the DDR5 and the PCIe 5.0 slots also use our ultra-durable SMD armor, which further reinforces those slots to prevent any bending or damage. If we take a look at the back of the board, we see that this motherboard has one DisplayPort 1.4 and one HDMI 2.1 for those of you who are not going to utilize dedicated graphics. The Z690I AORUS Ultra Plus has a variety of USB ports as well. It comes with one USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C port, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and lastly, 2 USB 2.0 ports. And here you can see the Q-Flash button. We also have 2 audio jacks and 2 SMA antenna connectors, which will support Intel Killer Wi-Fi 6E with double connect technology, which is going to be the main difference of this board compared to the original. And last but not least, we have an Intel 2.5 gig LAN port to round out the connectors. With mini ITX builds gaining more popularity nowadays, the Z690I AORUS Ultra Plus is going to be a great option with all the latest bells and whistles, so be sure to check it out. We saw your votes that you guys wanted to see more motherboard and graphic card unboxings, so we're glad we finally did one here. Be sure to stay tuned because we're gonna have more coming out to you guys very soon. If you guys enjoyed today's video on the Z690I AORUS Ultra Plus, be sure to hit that like button and leave a comment down below on what features you guys want a next generation motherboard to have. Don't forget guys to check out our other unboxing videos right here. And we'll be back on Thursdays with another unboxing video. Once again guys, my name is Howard from Aorus, wishing you guys a happy building season. Team up and fight on.